action you take to conserve natural resources like turning off the lights or saving water is a step towards a brighter future for our planet. Thank you. सुप्रभात आदित्य मेरे प्रिय साथियों, प्राकृतिक संसाधनों को बचाने के लिए आपके द्वारा किए जाने वाले हर छोटे कार्य जैसे कि लाइट बंद करना या पानी बचाना हमारे ग्रह के लिए एक उज्जवल भविष्य की ओर एक कदम है। धन्यवाद। Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. Today's word for today are first, conserve. Spelling CONSERVE, conserve, meaning to protect and preserve something for future use. Sentence: let's conserve water by turning off the tap while brushing our teeth. बचाना वाक्य ब्रश करते समय नल बंद करके पानी बचाए। Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Second, reduce. Meaning to use less of something. Sentence: let's reduce our use of plastic bags and use cloth bags instead. कम करना। अर्थ: कुछ का उपयोग कम करना। अर्थ वाक्य: हम प्लास्टिक बैग का उपयोग कम करें और कपड़े के बैग का उपयोग करें। Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about something very important, saving our natural resources. Do you know what natural resources are? They are things like water, air, trees and flowers that nature gives us to take care of. But why are they important? Well, we need water to drink, air to breathe, and trees to give us shade and oxygen. So, what can we do to save them? We can start by turning off the lights and fans when not in use, planting more trees and not wasting water. Every small action can a big difference. So let's all do our part and saving our natural resources. Remember, small actions today, a greener tomorrow. Let's repeat it together. Small actions today, a greener tomorrow.